What's your name?
Hi, Murray. Arthur?
Arthur.
My name's Arthur.
Oh, okay. Well, there's something special about you, Arthur, I could tell. Where you from?
I live right here in the city with my mother.
Can you please stop bothering my kid?
I wasn't bothering.
Just stop.
I was